गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
नमस्कार. आज प्रामुख्याने मला महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर गोरे सरांच्या प्रती आपल्या भावना व्यक्त कराव्याशा वाटतात. डॉक्टर गोरे सर म्हणजे एक प्रसन्न व्यक्तिमत्व होय. मी जेव्हा प्रथम वर्षाला होते तेव्हा त्यांनी अतिशय उत्तमरित्या सहलीचे आयोजन केले. या सहली दरम्यान त्यांनी प्रत्येकाची विशेष काळजी घेतली. त्यामुळे आमच्या पालकांना खूप समाधान वाटले. सरांच्या संपूर्ण कार्यात गोरे मॅडमचे सहकार्य मोलाचे आहे. गोरे सर आणि गोरे मॅडम एकमेकांना पूरक असून ते दोघे आपल्या आयुष्यात निरोगी आणि आनंदी राहतील अशी देवासमोर मी प्रार्थना करते. आणि सर्वांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देऊन मी धनश्री अविनाश खापरे आपले मनोगत पूर्ण करते. जय जगत.
Dr. Sanjay Chaudhary Sir, HOD of Anatomy Department. He is a disciplined, punctual, sincere, hardworking and a supportive teacher. Though he is strict but also kind-hearted, ये उनकी simplicity and positive thinking है जो हमें guide करती है कि सादगी से कैसे जग जीता जा सकता है. Few lines dedicated to all teachers. देते हैं शिक्षा शिक्षक हमारे, नमन चरणों में गुरु तुम्हारे, बिना शिक्षा सूना जीवन है.
You are the one with cute glittery smile. Never miss a movement to adjust hair flicks by side. Muscles, arteries and veins could not have been part of our life if you won't have shared anatomy treasure as guide. We are thankful for having such a wonderful teacher. Happy Teachers Day, Trupti ma'am.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I wanted to show some of my gratitude towards Bandore ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am for giving us all wisdom of knowledge in physiology. You inspired us a lot to proceed forward, build our ethics, prepare us to withstand in difficult situations. Thank you for all this ma'am. Please bless us with your knowledge and love always ma'am.
Dr. Sonam Yadav ma'am is a personality whom every student, teacher, patients, colleagues, everyone adores. She has got something very flexible in her nature, something which is magic. Her determined, motivated, hardworking and organized work is manifested by everyone who have watched her. She is someone who can be called student-centered for her outstanding method of teaching. Thanking her with all our hearts for supporting us.
Dr. Bhavna Gadpale ma'am is someone with a very soft heart, though she is very strict while getting everyone's attention on her teaching. Students adore her supportive, caring nature more. She has made boring lectures into fun with sharing her 6th year of working experience. Thanking her for her determined nurture teaching. Happy Teachers Day, Bhavna ma'am.
With the flow of talk and rhythm of your voice, you gave us insights of Master Henman's life. Adorable are you with punctual but strict nature. Grateful to have you as silver lining of our future. We are thankful for your support, guidance and care. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day, Pohani ma'am.
For the first time when we entered into the world of homeopathy, we were unaware, doubtful, unfamiliar and unconfident about this science. But the day you entered into the class, you made us confident and blessed that we are here. You motivated us every time. You taught us how magical homeopathy is, made us realize a physician should be rational and much more. Thank you for everything. Wish you a very, very happy Teachers' Day, Dr. Pohane sir.
Good morning, Ruchi ma'am and Zara ma'am. Ma'am, you have always been gone above and beyond to support us. Thank you so much ma'am for getting us over the hurdles and having faith in our abilities. Ruchi ma'am and other teachers. Ma'am, you may not have realized it, but you were an inspiration to me throughout this year. Your passion for the topic really rubbed off on me and other students too. Thank you so much ma'am.
In second year, forensic medicine and toxicology, a very new subject for second year students, where the topics like types of poison, jurisprudence, identification, war gases, etc. felt the toughest one. But to make those topics easy, our teachers, Dr. Cyrus sir and Dr. Shinde ma'am, contributed their knowledge and efforts and did whatever it took to explain us in a very simple manner. Our first lecture, where every sleepyhead wanted 5 minutes nap, but after the entry of Dr. Cyrus sir, with a big smile on his face, with a high enthusiasm, the moment he starts the teaching, every sleepyheads build up their curiosity in the subject. Thank you, sir, for every little thing.
Today, I want to give a hearty tribute to Babat sir, who takes untiring efforts to build our future. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, and the love you give makes you the best teacher. Thank you.
With the full of love and respect to my teachers, there is no doubt that teachers are the harbinger of change, and one who experiences it can only realize their importance. Today on this Teachers' Day, I want to acknowledge the great contribution of teacher in my life, Dr. Maya Buche ma'am, who teach us a gynecology subject which almost important in our professional and personal life. Thanks ma'am for being a part of my life.
On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to say few lines for you. Pallavi ma'am, all the efforts and hard work you invest to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. We can only feel grateful for having a teacher like you. The patience and sacrifices of our teachers should be celebrated every day, not just one day in a year. Happy Teachers' Day.
This is Naman Bhuti Phule. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to appreciate Dr. Deshpande sir, a towering surgeon of Central India. You are a great inspiration for me, who works relentlessly for the cause of health service. I also appreciate your dedication for education. For you, the age is just a number. In these times, when online teaching was a big hurdle, you got over it, and in spite of your busy schedule and health service practice, you always managed to teach us even from hospitals. Thank you, sir, for being so kind. We are blessed to have you as our mentor. Happy Teachers' Day to you and all respected teachers. Thank you.
A very good morning, sir. On the occasion of Teacher Day, I would like to say a few words for Dr. Ninja sir. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you put in for educating us. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
On the special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to say few words about teachers. Teachers' Day is very important and respectful occasion for me, and I can express my respect regarding teachers. All the efforts and hard works you are invested to bring out the best in us, I can never repay in my words. We can only feel grateful for having teachers like you, and I honorably want to thank Dr. Preeti ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am Tanvi. So, Dr. Richa ma'am is an amazing teacher. You are only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide of my life. Although she has a strict, personally she is very caring and kindly by nature. She is very disciplined and punctual and always come to class on time. And one word to say you ma'am from my side, you are the most knowledgeable person of my life. Thank you so much ma'am.
On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to say a few words for Dr. Prashant Digarse sir. The passion you have for your job and what you teach is contagious. We enjoy every minute of your lecture as well as your marvelous sense of humor and look forward to all your classes. Mere words could never express my gratitude to you for truly teaching and being there for all students. A very happy Teachers' Day, sir.
This is Payal. What I like about Wankhede ma'am is she treats each and every student of her as her child. We get vibes of motherlyhood. And my personal experience of last year with her was, we all visited her with the sweets after result. She picks one and she said, "Asheच अभ्यास करा आणि मोठे व्हा." Wankhede ma'am is always appreciated each and every student. Actually, online session was quite difficult for everyone. But in the beginning of session, ma'am took lots of efforts to teach us. So ma'am, thank you.
A very good morning to all. This is Asvijishti. I would like to say few words for Jyoti ma'am. As your meaning of name indicates that truly you are. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to our life. The passion you have is mirrored in your skills and abilities. You deserve the recognition for all the sacrifices, selfless, devoted, hardworking that you make the wisest teacher. I am very grateful to be your student. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Myself, Pooja Bhaktai from final year. बोला जाता है जिसे देता ये जहाँ सम्मान, जो करता है देशों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, जिसे करते हैं सभी प्रणाम, जिसकी छाया में मिलता ज्ञान, जो कराए सही दिशा की पहचान, वो है हमारे गुरु, मेरे गुरु और मेरे गुरु को शत शत प्रणाम। मंडल सर हमें अपने लेक्चर में शब्द का मीनिंग पूछते हैं, हर एक शब्द का मीनिंग पूछते हैं। वो सिर्फ एक शब्द का मीनिंग नहीं होता, वो पूरे जीवन का मीनिंग होता है कि इस शब्द को अपने जीवन में कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करें, कैसे उसको अपने जीवन में उसका उपयोग करें, वो सब होता है। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
We would like to thank our distinguished speaker, Dr. Shruti ma'am, for making her all lectures very meaningful and interesting by their excellent presentations. Your teaching is very helpful for better understanding to the student about your subject repertoire. It's simple but meaningful phrases that you teach. We are still using a skill you taught us, something memorial tricks. You make a tremendous amount of patience and hard work for all of us to make subject easier by sharing their notes and objectives. We are very grateful to you, ma'am, for giving us an opportunity to conduct seminar individually, which make us confident. Thanks for your contribution.
This is Nunmai. As we know, the two most powerful warriors are time and patience. And Mr. Ajay sir is very humble with his students. His polite and sober nature truly defines what patience means. And I have seen that we students may get late, but he is always there sharp at 9 a.m. in the morning, energetically ready to conduct our lecture. Thank you, Ajay sir, for being always enthusiastic and for growing our knowledge about artful subject repertoire.
A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning is all what you do for us. Your dedication towards the homeopathy inspires us for becoming a successful homeopath and always being loyal with our profession. We are always grateful to you for your endless patience, dedication, and outstanding teaching. Happy Teachers Day to the passionate, innovative, and humble personality, Dr. Akhilesh Khan, sir.
This is Chetna. Dear Sumba ma'am, we really appreciate your passion and dedication towards teaching. We wonder how enthusiastically you teach to us. As soon as you enter into the class, whether it may be at the college or the online class, suddenly you create positive, productive, friendly and learning environment for us. And at the same time, the curiosity also goes on increasing in our mind as you continue to teach, which lasts till the end of the class. We are eternally grateful to you, ma'am, for sharing your ocean of knowledge.
Respected Vidya Kite ma'am, I sincerely thank you for all the hours you spent on us and the attention you gave us. You fulfilled the need of a part of our knowledge. Being grateful towards you, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day, respected Vidya Kite ma'am.
Good teacher who is indeed wise does not bid you to enter the house of wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of mind. Thank you Girish Kashni sir, Ashish Tajni sir, Shafi Khan sir, Akash Jogi sir and Aarti Lavhe ma'am for your great efforts.